Hey guys, welcome back to Nomadness Reactions, and we're back to the boat.
Finally.
Yeah.
After 2-3 weeks.
Of rain and
Cold.
snow and cold. So, you've cut out. Let's see what you've done.
Cut out the floor. I gotta cut those.
Those boards are rotted.
Yep, gotta cut those out.
Those are rotted. So that's fiberglass encapsulating them?
Yep. He did a crappy job too. It's all bubbled.
Is it all bubbled?
Yeah.
So you have to recreate
Yeah, those stringers, or those
supports?
supports. I got 2x6.
That one busted and plugged the drain hole, right?
Yeah, pretty much.
Damn.
So, I'm gonna get up there, clean up that mess. It's getting there though, you know what I say?
It's alright, you got plenty of time. No rush.
I found
So-
a wire, I don't know what it goes to.
What wire?
Yeah, there's one wire there, you know.
Okay. So, yeah.
It's getting there though. I need a different saw.
Did the subfloor rest over on the sides?
Yeah.
Look at the squirrels already putting acorns or
No,
walnuts.
those are from before.
Those walnuts over there?
Yeah.
For shit.
I'm afraid to look in that cabin down there.
What cabin?
Under there, where the knob is. Up front.
Oh, you can open that?
Yeah.
Go do it.
Mm-mm.
Please, I want it on video.
All right.
All right, do it. All right, let me get positioned. Oh, God.
If something jumps out.
Oh, it's going to be epic.
Mind you, I'm doing this. I have a hernia,
I know.
so I'm slow at it.
I'm going to come over on this side and catch the moment. If I don't trip over anything. Here we go. Hold on. Okay. Why am I don't have a good run.
Oh, fudge.
What's in there?
Walnuts?
Lots of them?
I don't know.
Is there like a mouse house?
No, it's just walnuts.
Oh, no
And a
kidding.
gas tank. Big ass one.
Big gas tank in there?
Yeah.
I don't think I can
So-
get a view in there. It's so dark.
I know. Here's my balls. Anywho.
Well, at least an animal wasn't in there.
Nope. It's all good.
So that is literally like just a wood box frame that you have to completely rebuild.
Just these right here so far.
Okay. My goodness.
That's what happens when you don't take care of a boat.
I know. Well, and plus it's what? How many years old?
59?
59 years old.
But I've seen on YouTube ones that are like 1998, just as bad.
Really?
Yeah.
So this really isn't that bad for its age.
No.
I mean, really.
Not too bad.
And these are collector kind of boats, the Mark Twains.
I don't know.
I mean, a lot of people look for them.
You do?
Well, I was seeing that in the group. There's a Facebook group. It's kind of like the Bronco 2 people, you know what I'm saying? Looking for this, that, and the other thing that go with it.
Perhaps.
Ugh. Well, good luck to you. It's too cold for me.
Alright.
Thank you guys for,
Walnuts.
we'll keep you updated step by step. Oh my God.